That's the weather today.
Yeah, 30-degree here is really hot for us. So to cool down, I'm gonna make a banana split shake. This is my own version. Two bananas, very ripe bananas. 1 cup of any mixed fruit berries. 1 cup of full cream milk. 2 scoops of ice cream. I use cookies and cream ice cream, but you can use chocolate ice cream. Around 2 cups of crushed ice. Start to blend and then add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and blend until smooth. And pour it into your serving glass. Tararan! Decorate with some chocolate syrup. Looks yummy. And then let's try.
Ito na, try na.
Refreshing. Very tasty. Very rich. Try it. I give you the exact recipe and you'll never get wrong with it. It's really nice. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for my next update.